I'm going to show you how to make a transfer from Wise to any bank account you want, so let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into Wise with your right credentials. After that, in the left menu, select Payments. Once you get redirected to this, select Send. After that, from here you need to select the amount you want to transfer in your currency to what the recipient would get in his currency. So let's say like 50. From here, you want to change the paying with, so click on change. If you want to leave it as default, which is bank transfer, you can do it. But if you want to change it to a debit card or credit card or even a Swift transfer, make sure to select one of these above. After that, select on schedule. From here, make sure to schedule the date you want the transfer to happen and select set schedule. Or if you want to transfer the payment right now, select send now instead. After that, make sure to click on add recipient. Make sure to click on add recipient and then select enter bank details. You can either transfer to yourself or someone else or a company like business or charity. We'll choose someone else. You can type their email, it is optional, but you can leave it. Now, if you want to transfer to someone who's inside the Europe, select this one. If he is outside of Europe, select outside Europe. The difference is you're going to be prompted to enter the Swift code right here. If you are inside of Europe, you only type the IBAN code. Now once you entered the right information, select continue. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you need to specify the reason of your transfer. Select this drop down menu, make sure to select the closest reason. If you don't find any, select other and then select continue. After that, you will need to take photos of your ID document and your face, so make sure to scan a QR code or select send a link by email and follow up with the process of the verification. After that, you can simply complete the payment without any issues, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.